Watch AI create an inspection. Issues analysis dashboard from scratch. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our inspection data file into Bricks. The upload completes instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our data, identifying patterns in inspection issues, severity levels, and resolution timelines. It's automatically generating the perfect visualizations to tell our data story. The AI creates multiple chart types showing issue counts by severity and status, proportions by severity level, resolution workflows, and trending over time, plus a detailed resolution analysis table. Our inspection issues analysis dashboard is complete with 5 powerful widgets that transform raw inspection data into actionable insights. Now, we can customize the theme for better visual appeal. Let's switch to presentation mode to see how this looks for stakeholders, giving us a clean, professional view perfect for executive briefings and team meetings. Back to edit mode, we can interact with all elements and explore our data further. Try Bricks today and transform your data workflow.